Ooh, that was a wild ride. Hey everybody, I'm out at Zeb again today trying to find some spots I haven't ridden before. Hopefully find a cool spot to get some drone footage and hopefully not get caught in a thunderstorm. There's some chances of bad weather today, so wouldn't be much fun to get stuck out here in a storm. Drone seems to be doing better today. Oh no. Just when I said I thought it was doing better. Low battery on the drone. bugging my eye. I always want to keep my helmet visor open when I'm going slow like this because it gets kind of hot, but then bugs fly in my helmet and get stuck. I don't really like that. Some of these are 3 or 4 feet deep. I've gone through these in my Jeep before, and they'll cover the front end of the Jeep, so I don't really want to risk it. There's another big one up there. This is just too washed out through here. Lost it. I'm so thankful for these new pants. I would be about to pass out in the old riding pants I had. They're black and didn't breathe very well. I just got these in the mail yesterday. And they're Joe Rocket Phoenix Ions. I think I paid $153 for them. They were some of the cheapest ones out there. Alright, here we go across the water again. Man, that's deep right there. Ooh, that was a wild ride. Just trying to stand up, then I got a Charlie horse in my leg halfway across. Well, I didn't get to where I wanted to get to today, but it was still a good ride. Water's just too high everywhere, and big, deep, rutted out mud holes that I don't feel comfortable crossing out here by myself. So I'm just going to try to get out of here before the storms hit. They should be here in an hour or so, so I don't want to be caught out here in that. Oh boy. Getting pulled into the ruts. Anybody else notice that if you're looking at a rut trying to avoid it, that's exactly where you go? Surprised I haven't seen any wildlife out here today. Normally, when I'm out here, I at least see a turkey or a squirrel or something. Deer running across the road. Even seen bobcats and rattlesnakes out here. And there's supposed to be some black bear too. My boss's neighbor saw a black bear in their backyard, and they're almost in town. That's the first I'd ever heard of black bears around here, but supposedly they're here now. Or they've always been here, and I just never heard of them.
Well, I think I got it. It's a 2 by 4. 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 It's a
Well guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.